Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.2 question number 2. Total number of students of a school in different years is shown in the following table. Years 1996, 1998, 2000, 2002, 2004. Number of students is 400, 535, 472, 600, 623. Prepare a pictograph of students using one symbol to represent 100 students and answer the following questions. How many symbols represent total number of students in the year 2002? And how many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? Prepare another pictograph of students using any other symbol, each representing 50 students. Which pictograph do you find more informative? Right? This is the question. Now, first of all, here you see that one symbol represent 100 students, right? Now here you see in the year 1996, how many students are there? 400, right? 400. That means 400 divided by 100, that is 4 symbols we need, right? Here we are drawing 4 symbols, right? Because 4 into 100 is 400, right? This is 4 symbols like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 symbols means 400, right? Now 1998, 535, 2472, and 2002, 600. 2002 600. 600 means 2002 will represent 6600. 600 divided by 100, that means 6 symbols. Here it is 6 symbols. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? In 2002, that is 600 students, therefore 600 divided by 100 is equal to 6 symbols. Now the question is 535. How to represent 535 is very difficult. Why? Because this is not a multiple of 100, right? Now how will represent? We have to represent first 5 symbols. In 1998, first you draw 5 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 represent 500 students, but not 535. Then how we will represent 35? That means if we divide 535 divided by 100, then we are getting 5.35. 5.35. That means we have to draw a figure such that 35 by 100, right? That is not possible to draw. That's why we will take half. Half is 0.50, but less than half. Like this. But we cannot represent it exactly, right? Like this we are drawing, right? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is more than 500 but less than 600. This is representation of this one, right? Now in 2000, 472. We cannot represent this also. 472. If we divide it by 100, what we are getting, that is 4.72. 4.72. 4.72, right? That is, first you draw four symbols, that is 1, 2000, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 0.72 is more than half but less than 1, right? Then we will draw like this, but we cannot represent 472 exactly, right? Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and more than half, right? This is half, more than half, right? That means this number we cannot represent 472 exactly, but we can say that 400 and this number is between 400 and 500, right? That means in 2002 1 2 3 4 and 0.72 means nearly 3/4 of the figure, right? Now 2004 is 623, 623 divided by 100, that is 6.23, 6.23, right? That is one, nearly 1/4, right? Now here for 6 you give 6 figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Here we gave in 2004 so more than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 600 and 0.23. 0.23 is nearly 1/4. We cannot draw 1/4, but we draw like this. We cannot draw exactly 1/4, but we can draw like this, right? That means it is 1/4 of the figure, but we cannot represent exactly 623. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it is greater than 600 but less than 700. This is the representation of in a table. Now question number A. Prepare a pictograph of students using one symbol to represent 100 students and answer the following questions. How many symbols represent total number of students in the year 2002? Here you see in 2002 how many pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? That means 6 symbols. In 2002 how many symbols? 6 symbols. And in question number B, how many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? For the 1998 you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 535, right? 535, not 5 symbols, and that is 5 complete symbols. This is 5 in 1998. That means 5 complete symbols, complete symbols, symbols, and 1 incomplete symbols. Incomplete symbols. But we cannot represent exactly 535. We can represent the 5 symbols mean 500 but less than 600, right? Now question number B. Prepare another pictograph for students using any other symbol each representing 50 students. Which pictograph do you find more informative, right? Now we will take another pictograph, right? Let us take another pictograph and show it, right? Let us take another table, right? Let us take another table By taking another table, let us take another table. Now we'll take another table to show this one. Let us rub this one table, right? Let us rub this one. Now we will show question number B. Question number B is, what is that? Prepare another pictograph. Now question number B, we will solve question number B. Question number B is, prepare another pictograph of students using any other symbol, each representing 50 students. Which pictograph do you find more informative? Right? Here we write the years. Years is 1996, 1996, 1998, 1998, then 2000, 2000, 2002, 2002 and 2004, 2004, right? Now this is number of students, number of students. Let us take this symbol representing 50 students. One symbol represents 50 students. Right? Now here you see number in 1996, how many students are there? 400. Therefore divide 400 by 50. Right? 0, 0, 5, 8 is 40. That means 8 symbols will be there. Right? 8 symbols. Here doing 8 symbols. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 symbols means 400. Now next one is in 2002, that is 600. 2002, 600 students is there. 2002, 600. 600 divided by 50. Right? 0, 0. 5 is 5. 5 12 is 60. That means 12. Here you have to represent 12 in 2002. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Now how to find 535? 535. 535. 535. If you divide by 50, what you are getting? You see, you are dividing it by 50, right? That means if we divide it by 5, it can be written as 535, 535 by 5 into 10, right? If we divide this number 5, that is 5 1 is 5, 0, 5 7 is 35, that is 107 by 10, that is 10.7, 10.7, right? That means you have to take 10 symbols, right? Like 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 symbols means 10 and 0.7 means 7 by 10, right? 0.7 means 7 by 10. Now out of 10 parts, you have to take 7 parts. This is not possible, but we can draw, that is out of 10 parts, 7 parts is nearly like this. But we cannot get exact information, that is 35. But you can say that it is more than 500 but less than 600, right? That means we can draw a 7 tenth. Out of 10 part you have to take 7 part, right? 7 part means nearly like this, right? This is nearly 7 part out of 10, right? Nearly, but not exactly, right? In 2000, how many? 472. 472. Divide 472 by 50. By 50, then you are getting 472 by 5 into 10, right? We will get point here, that is if we divide 472 by 5, 472 by 5, that is 5 9 is 45, 45, 5 6 7 2, that is 2, 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20, that is 2. If I take point here, then 0, 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. That is right. That means you are getting 94.4 by 10. That is exactly 9.44. That is 9 and nearly half of that, right? But 44 means 44 by 100, right? First you take 9, 2002, 9, that is in 2002, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9 means what? 9 means 9 into 50. 9 means 9 into 50. 5 9 is 45. You can represent 450 you are getting, right? 450. That means it is between 450 and 450 and 500, right? Between 450 and 500, right? That it is more informative, right? In 2000, it is 472. That means this is point from nearly half, right? That it is nearly half, but not exactly half, right? It is nearly, but this is more informative. Why? Because it represent that this number, the 535 representing, that means it is 535 or 472. 472 lies between 450 and 500. That means it is more informative, right? Now question number 2004, 623, 623. Here you see 623. You divide it by 50. 623. That means 623 divided by 5 into 10. That means 623 if we divide by 5, 623. If we divide by 5, we are getting 5 1 is 5, 1 2, 5 2 is 10, 2 23, 5 4 is 20, 3 that is point 0, 5 6 is 30, 5 6 is 30, right? It is 124.6, right? Therefore 124.6 by 10, that means is equal to 12.46, right? 12.46. That means you have to give 12, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 12. And 46 means 46 by 100, right? Nearly 50, nearly 50, right? 623, nearly 50. That is, we can write here as, but not, we cannot exactly find the figure, right? Nearly 50. That means what it represents, that's 12. 12 means what? 12 means 5 to the 60. It represents between 60 and 650. That is, this is more informative, like, right? 600 and between 650. That means if we take 50 students in one symbol, that this one is more informative than the previous one. Here you see that is first it is 4 students, 400 students mean 8 symbols, it is complete. But in the second case 535, here in the sense you get 535 means it will lies between 500 and 550. That means it is more informative, right? Now this is 472. It lies between 450 and 500. 600 and 623. 623 means it lies between 600 and 650, right? That means in this case this is more informative. Prepare another pictograph of students using any other symbol each representing 50 students. Which pictograph do you find more informative? The second pictograph, right? Therefore you write the answer, that is the second pictogram, the second, or this one, the second pictograph represent the second picture represent more informative, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, in the first case, in case of A, the ranges between 400 and 500, 500 600, 400 and 500, 600 and 700. But in this case it is, since the number of symbols represents 50 students, it lies between 500 and 550, 450 and 450, between 450 and 500, between 600 and 600. This is more informative than the previous one. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.